Hi, and welcome to day 3 of 30 Days to Clutter-free Living. So far, we have written down our goals, our why for starting this project, and we have shared our goals with others. Today, we're going to just create space for everything that we're removing from our house so that it's not just causing more problems. So ideally, you'll have 3 different bins. One would be for donations, things that are still in good shape that you can give on to somebody else, and bonus points for donating sustainably. If you go to our website under resources, there's a whole list of amazing ways that you can donate or upcycle your belongings to make sure that their life cycle is being lengthened, or you give them to a friend, whatever, just, find whatever works for you. So one area to collect donations, one area of things that need to be mended perhaps, and then another section if there's anything that you might possibly want to sell. Things that are truly garbage or need to be recycled, you can certainly just take care of those in real time. So today we're really just setting ourselves up for success. Maybe it's a couple of laundry bins, maybe it's some baskets or just some really big trash bags. But make sure that once you start decluttering your items, you know where those things are going to go so that you can actually remove them from your space and they don't just become another project for another day. Good luck.